Hello viewers, let's change the interspace of desktop icons or window folder. At present you can see the condition over there and you can also see the interspace. We will change it. So press from your keyboard Windows button plus R button and type regedit.exe and click OK, or regedit without exe. This appears, so click yes. Now each key current user, open it. Now control panel, small arrow to open it or expand it, then desktop, and now finally window matrix. Click it. Now you can see the two arrows. This is the vertical and horizontal space of a folder, so double click on it. Minus 1128 is the default of window 11, so let me change it to 1400. It's my choice. I can increase or decrease it. Click OK. And now let's go change the icon vertical space. It's also minus 1128, so I can keep it as previous like 1400, but let me write 1300. Click OK. And now either restart your computer or log off the computer. You will shortly see the space would be changed in accordance to my choice and the windows look good. Now let's change the vertical space in the red line. So open my computer, then any drive or D drive and click three dots, then come down to options and in options click view and now decrease space between the items. Tick mark inside. Now apply. Now you can see that the space has been shrinked in that column, or if I would like to reverse this, so uncheck the decrease space between item, apply and OK. And now the vertical space amongst the icons are increased again. Hope you would have liked. Thanks for watching.